When you unpack the shipping box, make sure you don't throw out the essential hardware bag. If you've ordered a SnapFrame smaller than 24 by 36, it conveniently ships to you already assembled. Anything larger than that ships unassembled to save you money on shipping charges. But don't worry, assembly is easy. Here's how you do it. First, lay out all the materials from the SnapFrame shipping box. There should be 4 rails, 4 corner joining angles consisting of 8 pieces, a backing board, and a clear plastic overlay. When the snap rails are open, you notice they come pre-connected with steel springs. This allows the frame to easily snap open and snap shut, securing your printed graphics in place. To begin assembly, we take the A plate and place it under the B plate. Notice the screws are on top. Once the pieces are aligned, go ahead and slide them into the open snap rail's metal channel. Then, connect the second snap rail to the other end of the plate, sliding the corner joining angle into the same metal channel. Take your flathead screwdriver and just fasten the screws of the corner joining plate. After completing this simple step for all the corners, the SnapFrame is ready to be wall mounted. The mounting hardware consists of 4 yellow wall anchors and 4 screws. You'll also need a level, a pencil, and a hand drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit and a number 2 Phillips head. If you're wall mounting the SnapFrame to a concrete or brick surface, you need to purchase different hardware from your local hardware store. First, snap open the snap rails of the frame. For bigger models, all 4 sides will snap open. For smaller ones, just 2. Use the level to line up the frame. Once level, use the pencil to mark the 4 holes where the wall anchors and screws will be inserted. Now, take your hand drill with the 1/4-inch drill bit and drill in the pencil marks. Afterwards, place the yellow wall anchors in the holes. Align the SnapFrame with the wall anchors you just put in. Then, use the hand drill with the Phillips head bit to fasten the screws. Now we're ready to secure and display your graphics. First, take your backing board and place your graphic over it. Then, take the clear plastic overlay and remove the blue plastic film from both sides. When the film has been removed, place it on top of your graphics. Once the materials are aligned, you can then place them into the SnapFrame and snap the rails shut. It's as easy as that.
Order your SwingSnap snap frames at DisplayFrames.com.